Hello everyone, I welcome you all to yet another discussion session of the CAT 2023, and in today's class we will be taking up the slot 3 of CAT 2023 paper. So let's get started with the question. In a regular polygon, any interior angle exceeds the exterior angle by 120 degree, then the number of diagonals of the polygon is. Now interior angle plus exterior angle at any vertex is always 180 degree. Sum of interior and exterior at any vertex is 180. Also it is given interior exceeds exterior by 120 degree. So when you subtract these two, interior will cancel out and this will give us 2 into exterior is 60. So that means exterior angle is 60 degree by 2, which is 30 degree. And in a regular polygon, exterior angle is equal to 360 degree upon n. So when you solve this, the number of sides n will turn out to be 12. So this is a 12-sided polygon, duodecagon. Now what will be number of diagonals? The number of diagonals, there is a formula for this, n into n minus 3 upon 2. So n is 12, so 12 into 12 minus 3, 9 upon 2, 6 into 9 will be 54 diagonals. So the answer will be 54. Very, very direct question. If you know the formulae, it would be probably a minute time that would be required for answering this question.